Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. Today I'm going to show you how to make rotisserie chicken in the air fryer. This is how juicy and delicious it looked. So let's get straight into it. No, I didn't make any sides. That's not what this video is about. So yeah, you can make your own sides. So I'm using this rotisserie chicken seasoning. I love this stuff. It's delicious. I'm not sponsored. It's just great, and I'm sharing it with y'all because it's good. So I'm going to season this up with the rotisserie chicken seasoning. It's looking like I'm putting a whole bunch, but remember I haven't done the inside and the outside, so I'm just going to rub it all over inside and outside with whatever spice I have in the bowl and on the chicken. I'm also going to use this Cajun seasoning as well for a quick kick, and some red pepper flakes for some kick as well. And I'm just gonna mix it all up and put the seasoning all over, under the skin, on the inside, on the back side, and just get into it. Okay, get into it, because once it's in the air fryer, there's no trying to fix the seasoning like we're on the stove. So make sure you get into it, all the crevices. And yeah, I don't like a lot of like, I don't know if a lot of people that watch me, you notice I don't use tons and tons of seasoning on my food, because I like the flavor of food. I don't want to taste just seasoning. And you can over season food, you know, and this is just how I like it. You can add more or more other spices if you prefer, but these three right here did its job. So now I'm just going to truss, tie up, roll up, however you want to put it, the chicken. And I'm going to tie the legs together just like I'm doing here, mainly because you don't want it to fall apart in the air fryer, as well as it'll look crazy, and it needs to fit as well. This is a super small chicken. It's very small. I purposely got the smallest one I saw in the little thing in the store, because I didn't want to have a mishap with my air fryer. So, you know what's crazy? I didn't even read the direction book to see the pound of chicken that can fit in there, and I probably should have done that. But child, I said, listen, I didn't do it. I was already out. Just get the smallest chicken you can find. And it fit perfectly and everything was good. So if you have an air fryer that has the rotisserie option, you have the directions as to how to put the rods inside of the chicken. I didn't have to show you guys that, because even then you would still have to read it because of the positioning of it. I don't think I'll be great at showing you exactly how to do it. So yeah, so now I'm gonna brush that garlic butter all over the chicken like I'm doing here. I melted it down, which is a crime in itself, child. Ooh, I melted it down and brushed it all over the chicken. And now I'm gonna add it to my air fryer. I'm so excited because I've never made this in the air fryer. I made it in college, but not the air fryer per se. Let me correct that, because you know how y'all do. It's still a conventional oven. Girl, I know. But this is me. This is me putting it in the air fryer, making a mess with my hands. And it fits perfectly. Perfect. And I believe this is a 5-pound chicken, I believe. And now I'm going to close it up, roast it up, and I'll show you guys what that looks like. Now, I don't know what happened here, while the quality, not the, the fog in the air fryer, but like the quality of the video, it's a little shaky, especially like right here. It looks a little shaky, but this is what the chicken looks like, you guys. Look at this beautiful rotisserie chicken. Like, I can't even deal. Look at this. It looks just like the one from the Kroger. Well, better, and tastes better for sure, because honey, they don't believe in seasoning. Sorry, Kroger. Loves you. But this is the chicken. I'm just gonna, open it so you can see what it looks like. Juicy, not overly cooked, and delicious and full of flavor. And that crust, I guess it's something between the air fryer, and this is me showing y'all it's cooked all the way through. The air fryer and the seasoning, it just tastes so good. But thank you guys for watching. I love you for your support. And if you make this, tag me and let me know what you think. And I'll catch you on my next video. Bye.